Hey everybody, so for today's video we are going to take care of this bumper. So I got rear-ended about 2 months ago and the guy didn't have insurance, so I had to do a deductible for $500. I figured it's an old car, there's really no need to get it fixed properly and have to pay out $500. Let me see if I can figure out a cheaper way of doing this. So I looked online, I saw some bumpers on eBay. They cost around 70 bucks, but then you'd have to paint them. And then I found out they actually have painted bumpers where you send in a paint code and you just pay for shipping and they just send you out a finished bumper. And I figured, well, I can give that a try. I mean, it ended up being around $220 for a finished painted bumper shipped to your house, and I figured why not just give that a try and see how it goes, you know. So there it is. So this is the finished bumper. This is the actual box it came in. As you can see, the bumper itself is huge compared to the box. So what they do is they take the ends of it and they fold it inward, and then they kind of mash it all in there. Out of the box, and it just kind of at room temperature just starts kind of reforming itself, and then you kind of help it out a little bit here and there, but for the most part it just does this thing, and then in the end you have a fully formed bumper that's painted. You can see there's some kind of white spots on here, but I think it's just dust or something, because if you just wipe it off, it just comes right off. So that's not a big deal. It's not scratches or anything like that, but looks pretty good. So we are going to try and put this together. I also bought some other parts for it. I had to buy this under rear spoiler thing because when I got hit, it broke off. So you can see this is where it mounts in with, and it's gone. So I'm gonna have to put that in. And then I decided, well, I won't have this sticker anymore, so I'll buy this little piece here, the scuff plate, and put it on there, and we'll give it a try. So here you go. Take a good look at it, and we will try and replace this, and we'll see how it goes. I'll link the instructions on how to remove your bumper underneath in the description, since there's no need to reinvent the wheel. You can watch what they did and follow those instructions, because that's what I'll be doing. So here you go. This is the finished product. Obviously, it looks a little bit better than the damaged bumper. Paint match is pretty okay. I mean, you'd have to get really close to it to see that it's not the same exact match. But overall, I'm happy with it. I got the new rear spoiler installed underneath there. So I am missing some hardware due to the accident, so it doesn't fit exactly perfect. Like right here, it doesn't exactly line up correctly. I don't think I'm gonna fix that. This car has a lot of miles on it. I just wanted something that looked decent. There's a little bit of a gap there, but you know, overall, there you go. If you wanna fix your own bumper for $230, it took me and my friend about 45 minutes from beginning to end. That's running into a lot of issues with missing clips, missing screws, stuff like that. So, but definitely doable by your average everyday person if you want to do it. It didn't take very long, and the YouTube video I included in the description pretty much explains how you do it. So it's really up to you. I definitely like the scuff plate. That was pretty easy to install. Just tape it on. Didn't do a great job. There's a little gap underneath there, right there. But you know, it should help with not ruining the bumper right away. So all right, hope this was helpful to you guys. If you guys need to replace your bumper, hopefully this gives you confidence to order it online and ship it to your house and do the work yourself. All right, peace out.